Remember, all gun control is racist. Look at my range on a Saturday. I have people here from all over New Jersey, experienced shooters, members from every county. I have people here from Martinique, Caribbean. I have people from Grenada, France, Madrid, Spain, all shooting in my place today, and a ton of people from the New York metropolitan area. We're the best. We're the tip of the spear in the state of New Jersey in a two-way fight. I love what I do. I'm here every day. You are not going to find a better family environment than Gun for Hire Woodland Park Range. Come down and show your support. Rent a gun. We have over 200, or bring your own guns. Join as a member, but come down and fight with us. Join the ANJRPC, join the NRA, join the CNJFO, and support the Cheeseman-Gillard case, right to carry in New Jersey. They have a GoFundMe page. We're the fighters. I'm the tip of the spear. I'll take the heat from everybody, but you got to support me. New Year's is coming. Let's get it going. Like me and share me.